You know, guys, it's been my experience messing with classic cars and old cars in general over the years. Invariably, when you buy one, you often will receive uh, a goodie package. And actually, it'll be boxes of spare parts, or parts that haven't been put on yet, or parts they bought and didn't use. And so be sure you ask if there's any other parts that go with it, with your car. Because let's see if I can turn the camera around here and show you in the back of my Chevy here. Well, you can see some of it. Now over here on this side, now this was a 210. There's the trim to go around the glass windows over here, and some of the trim that went to the original back seat. Now here we have, this is the original back seat on this side, and it's a little worse for wear. And they actually replaced it with another one from another wagon that was in much better shape. And I was happy to get all the spare parts I could, and who wouldn't? All right, let me show you the actual goodie box itself. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the cardboard box of goodies that came with my wagon, and I was happy to get them. All right, now this is the box of goodies. And this is the box of goodies. This is one of the missing access plates that on one of the doors. I got a good looking pair of tail lights, not blue dot, but let's see, I've got a rear bumper guard that needs some chrome on it. Let's see, what else do I have here? Oh, I've got armrest. I've got some armrests that need a little refurbing, but I do have armrests. And let's see, another bumper guard from the rear, and a windshield wiper arm. I don't have windshield wipers on it. So you can see there's even a printed H&H catalog in here. Of course, I got, this is 21 to 22, and this was when the previous owner got the car from his brother. Let's see, what other goodies do we have here? We got various and sundry pieces of chrome trim. That's a good looking piece there. I think I see another one down here. That one's dented. And let's see, it looks like a piece from the rear seat trim. Anyway, so if you're buying a classic car, make sure you ask the owner if there's any other parts that go with it. Now, when I bought my 56 Plymouth way down there at the end of the garage, it came with 3 10-gallon plastic bins full of extra parts. Now, the previous owner, who'd had it for 30 plus years, he would go to swap meets, and when he would see a part, especially chrome trim, that was in better shape than his, he would buy it, put it on the car, but he always kept the old one as a spare. So I've got a couple of boxes full of slightly dented or scratched trim. And some of the trim that he replaced is just marginally better than what's in the box. Anyway, it's worth asking. If you buy a car, are there any other parts? And they may even say, oh, you don't want that stuff. But if it doesn't matter, even if it's just steel rims, it's worth having. All right. Thanks for tuning in to the Shade Tree Garage. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.